Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the color theme for your graphs, charts and sheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. By changing the color theme, guys, I don't mean, for example, a specific cell or the color of a table here or for a graph, but overall, right? So because you can, for example, click into one of these cells and then change the fill color here, for example. So you can do that, but there's also the option to do the following. You may navigate to format and then click into theme here, right at the very top. And then guys, you will see a list of themes here. For example, that standard theme is currently being applied to that graph or to the entire sheet actually. Not standard but simple light here, but you can change it to this one, as you can see in the colors. Not one cell or one graph, but as you can see, the entire theme will then change accordingly. And you can go through that list and apply. Let's go, for example, this one here. Yeah, so you can do that. And you can customize these themes as well by clicking into this button and then go through these settings. For example, change the font to, I don't know, that one. And as you can see, these items here have different font. And do the same for the color for the text, right, like this. The chart, background, so let me go with a slight transparent one like this, and the accent colors, and so on and so forth, guys. That's it. Confirm by clicking into done here, close that window, and that's how you change the color theme for your graphs and charts on Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.